Okay, in these problems, we're doing the opposite of what we did in problems like 26 through 29. Instead of foiling or using the box method, we're trying to go backwards and turn it into what it used to look like. Okay, before someone foiled it, remember these little arcs, Gabriella, that you don't like? What would have been here and here to produce x squared? In both spots, we would have an x. Okay? Then we looked for different ways to multiply a number here and here to make 20 that would add up to 9. So we have 10 and 2 making 20. We have 5 and 4 making 20. How about 20 times 1? Does that make 20? Right. You're right. All of those combinations would multiply to 20, but only one pair would add up to the 9 that we need in the middle. So let me show you why we need a plus 5 and a plus 4. Does it successfully multiply to make the 20? Yes. Then, if I did the outside 4x and the inside 5x, what would I get if I combined them? 9x. That's why x plus 5 times x plus 4 is the answer. Okay? Let's try 31. Same idea. What times what makes x squared? The student said, x times x. Very good. Then, what times what here are some ways I can make negative 12? Let's explore some ways that I can multiply numbers and make negative 12. What'd you say? Negative 6 times 2. Give me more. What if I flipped them? That still makes negative 12, right?
Yeah.
How about 4 and 3? One negative, one positive. Okay. I could probably use 12 and 1 also. But keep in mind, my goal is to try to get a negative 4x in the middle. So you go back to that list over there and you say, which one of these, you ask yourself, which one of these, if I added them together, would give me negative 4? No, 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 yes. So I think it's x minus 6 and x plus 2. That was done by trial and error. We made some, we put some choices on the board, and then we got the one that makes it look like this. Ready? What's x times x? What's negative 6 times 2? Then, imagine I had my outside 2x and my inside negative 6x. What would you get if you combined them? Which was our goal, negative 4x. Okay? 2 more. What's missing from 32? X times x makes x squared. There's no x term in the middle, like this 4x and this 9x, negative 4x and 9x. That's because it's a 0. We want that number to go away. So what if I put a 5 and a 5, 1 plus, 1 minus? That's it, yep. That's going to make my negative 25, and then my 5x and my minus 5x will make 0. So that's it for number 32. Those problems are designed to be easier. You just need the same number, 1 plus, 1 minus. In the last one we have factoring. We bring out their common factor. Does the same number go into 3 and 15?
3
3. Does the same letter go into x squared and x? X. Then you think, what would go here to make it 3x squared? What would go here to make it negative 15x? That's how you factor number 33.